America Trip Part 2. Day 5 of our America trip was something special. We originally planned to visit the USS Midway Museum, but we realized the ticket might not be worth it for Callista at her age. So instead, we decided to enjoy it from the outside and, of course, take the iconic kiss photo. We drove here ourselves, and that alone made the moment special. The weather was cool and sunny, just perfect. This is where we parked because it's close to both the USS Midway Museum and the new Children's Museum. Perfect for Callista's love for arts and crafts. As we got closer, wow, we were amazed by how huge this naval aircraft carrier really is. We couldn't resist taking photos. Seeing all these historical icons and monuments was fascinating. It really makes you appreciate the stories behind them. After that, we walked back near where we parked. There were so many restaurants and shops. Perfect spot for lunch. After lunch, we walked to the new Children's Museum in San Diego. We were so excited to experience it. Entrance fees is $20 for children 1 year and up. For adults, it's $24, and infants less than 1 year old are free. We loved this museum because it's very interactive and there's so much to explore. The Teatro Piñata really struck us. The artist of this masterpiece is David Israel Reynoso. This piece is called Smile, made by Panka. The Glide Ice Oasis was incredible. Callie and I loved our moments here. We also visited the Disco Rainbow Cave, created by Tanya Aguinuiga. So colorful, so fun. The biggest one here is the Wonderful Sound plus Cavern Light by Wes Bruce. As adults, we were so impressed, especially how he used spoons to create this beautiful masterpiece. There is so much more to explore here, and we would like to recommend visiting the museum. I'm sure your kids, you, and your family will love it. Day 6. We traveled to Irvine because the next day we'd be driving to Las Vegas. Irvine is closer to Vegas than San Diego. We stopped by Pam's Best, a Pinoy shop, and we couldn't resist Filipino food. In Irvine, we visited the Great Park. The light display was amazing. kids loved it and had such a good time. Before heading back home, I decided to finally try In-N-Out Burger. So the whole gang went to the nearest one. More adventures are coming up. Up next, we'll be driving to Las Vegas. Life is better when shared with family.